Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Q Acoustics Q Active 200 speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working, if it's not pairing with your Bluetooth, if it's not connecting to your devices or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason is if you're trying to set this speaker up on a new network or on a new device and you just want to get a fresh start by having everything wiped off of it so you can set it up like it's coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do this. Now you are going to need a paper clip to get into this recessed reset button, and it should be connected to the power when you do this. So with it connected to power, we're going to come and press and hold this reset button, and while we're pressing and holding this reset button, we are going to just look at the lights on the top front of the speaker. After a while they'll all turn off, and then they will all flash 3 times. Once they flash 3 times, give it a couple more seconds and the standby and hub lights will start to blink. That's telling you that the reset's complete. You can actually go ahead and unplug your speaker at that point, and then now you have a brand new speaker. You can set it up however you want, and you can do this if you have more than one speaker. You can do this for each speaker.